If 2 to the power t equals to t to the power 32, then t equals to what? Solution. Given 2 to the power t equals to t to the power 32, that implies 2 to the power t whole to the power 1 over t equals to t to the power 32 whole to the power 1 over t, or 2 to the power 1 equals to t to the power 32 over t. Since we know a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn, or 2 to the power 1 over 32 equals to t to the power 32 over t whole to the power 1 over 32. 2 to the power 1 over 32 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 2 to the power 1 into 1 over 32 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 2 to the power 2 over 2 times 1 over 32 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 over 2 times 1 over 32 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 4 to the power 1 over 64 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 4 to the power square whole to the power half times 1 over 64 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 16 to the power 1 over 128 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 16 to the power square whole to the power half times 1 over 128 equals to t to the power 1 over t, or 256 whole to the power 1 over 256 equals to t to the power 1 over t. If we compare like this, then t equals to 256. Answer. Now verification. We get the solution t equals to 256. That is 2 to the power 256 equals to 256 to the power 32. That implies 2 to the power 256 equals to 2 to the power 8 to the power 32 equals to 2 to the power 8 into 32 means 256. 2 to the power 256 equals to 2 to the power 256. Verified. Thanks to all and enjoy the next video. And to get such interesting video, subscribe the channel. Stay touch with us. Thanks again. Best of your luck.